with a gold medal.
Yeah.
But they lose points. They're not going to win the gold medal. They've already got it.
La Maldive, Malaysia.
Ladies. I want your love. We'll go for the summer, when the night, boy, got your body on my mind. You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster, deep in my palm. I want your love, love, love. Take off your clothes, clothes, clothes. I want your love, love, love. You drink my rose, rose, rose. I want your love.
With Master Chef TV show program, and today with us Chef Alan. Hi Chef, how are you?
Fine.
Chef, can you tell about for the future chefs? We have many chefs around the world, and many people are waiting to come to our industry. What it will be a great message for them?
The most important thing you have to realize as a chef is you never stop learning.
Yes.
From the minute you walk into a kitchen until your retirement, there is something to learn. Even the senior judges here are seeing a different style of cooking, a different style of presentation, because some of them are from Europe and we have cooks here from Asia. So they are learning from them. A cook who stops learning has no future. The cook who carries on learning has the world in front of him, and that's the best advice I can give to any young chef. Never close your eyes, never close your brain, and learn something new every day. Okay?
Okay, Chef. Chef, other thing, when you are judging, what is the point that you are looking from the competitor?
That depends on the rules. Each competition, there are a different set of rules, and this is why it's very important that the people taking part in competitions read the rules carefully and understand them. You've got to remember, everyone starts with a gold medal, but they lose points. They're not going to win the gold medal, they've already got it. So if they don't read the rules correctly, they're losing little points, and every point makes the difference on the medal. So it's so important that you read the rules and understand them. And if you don't understand them, ask someone more senior who does. So a lot.
Okay, Chef. Thank you, Chef Alan.
You're
These are-
welcome.